Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this butterfly outfit hack in Dress to Impress without EIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room and then we're going to go to the petal update and we're going to put on this flower top and we can remove the details and then we're going to make it metallic for all the selection. Just make it metallic like this and then you're going to put on this item and again remove the details and make it metallic. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the curves item and we're going to put on this dress, the shiny dress, and then I'm going to make it toggle free. And then for the color, I'm going to make it this color. This is for the color code. And for the second selection, just leave it like that. For the third selection, make it this color, this orange color or gold color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to put on this dress and then we can choose only top and I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and for the third selection I'm going to make it this color, and for the fourth selection make it this color, and last selection make it this color, and then we're going to make it metallic. And the last one guys, I'm going to put on this butterfly top and then we're going to apply this color, the same orange color, and for the second selection I'm going to make it black, and for the third selection I'm going to make it this color, and for the last selection make it this color, and then this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.